Hey guys, what's going on? Yeah, I just thought I'd make another video for you. I don't really what I know I'm gonna do. Just thought I'd do some stuff, you know. They're riding in Africa. They're fighting in Spain. There's hurricanes in Florida. And Texas needs rain. The whole world is festering with the nappy sorts. The French hate the Germans hate the Poles. The South Africans hate the Yugoslavs, and the French hate the Dutch. And I don't like anybody very much. But we can be thankful and tranquil and proud that man's been endowed with a mushroom-shaped cloud. We know for certain, one lucky day, someone will set the spark off, and we will all be blown away. So, yeah, I help build this set, you know. That's what I do. I'm kind of like a jack of all trades, you know. Yeah, pretty good with the ladies, too. You should hang out with me sometime, you can watch. Well, I mean, you know. What? We're on the air? Oh. Hey guys, what's going on? Hey, so anyway, yeah, I thought I'd just talk to you guys about whatever, you know. So where are you guys from, anyway? I'm from the Alaska Tundra. Yeah, Alaska Tundra. It's pretty nice out there. I never really got to live in the Alaska Tundra. I was just kind of born, and somebody scooped me up and taught me how to speak English. That's why I'm so smart. In case you guys were wondering. And I went to school with like regular kids and stuff. And I don't know, I just, you know, I was a pretty normal kid. I like baseball, and soccer, and doing regular, and I love chasing the ice cream man, except he keeps running from me. And, that's because I can eat a lot of ice cream, not because I'm a bear, you know. And, I do all kinds of, you know, stuff. I like computers, and graphics, and games, and I like to go for long walks on the beach. No, this isn't my dating video. So, anyway, yeah. Thought I'd get a little more personal with you guys, you know. Let you know what's up with the bear. Yeah, so, I'm doing some stuff, nowadays, writing some music, and, not much of a musician, you know, but I'm trying. Two blondes walk into a building. You would have thought one of them would have seen it.